Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix WWE 2K26 game not launching, not opening, won't start, unable to open error on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart your PC as well as Steam. So Steam users click on Steam, now click on exit. After that click on Windows icon. Now click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC as well as Steam. Once your PC and Steam restarts, now launch the game and check. If not, you should check the system requirements of the game. So after searching for the game in Steam, go to the below section and here you will find the system requirements to play the game. So make sure your PC have all the required specs, and after that try to launch the game and then check. If not, next method is to modify launch option. So for that go to Steam, under library section select your game. Here I am showing an example. Now right click on it, click on properties. In the launch option here you have to type -DX11 and then try to launch the game and check if this helps to fix the problem. But if the issue continues, again come back, type -DX12 and then try to launch the game and check if it works. If the issue still continues, come back, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Wait for some time. Once the game files are verified, launch the game and then check if the game is opening now. If not, next method is to run game as administrator. So for that go to Steam, under library section select your game, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and here select run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check. If this doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode. For select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if this helps to fix the problem. If the issue still continues, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK and then try to launch the game and then check if the issue is fixed and you can play the game. But if the issue still continues, come back, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and then move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that go to the Windows search. Now search for Windows security. Here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that go below. Here you have to search for the game, whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, you have to click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. After that select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. Finally launch the game and then check. If this doesn't resolve the issue, move to the next method. Next is to check graphics settings of the game. So when your graphics settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, etc., then it directly impacts the game and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphics settings to avoid the unwanted issue. Next is to update system BIOS. For that you have to first check your motherboard model. After that visit its support page and download the latest BIOS. After that follow the official instructions for BIOS flashing and finally restart your system and then test the game whether it's working or not. If not, next is to update your graphics card. For that go to the Windows search. Now search for device manager. Here you have to expand display adapters, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and then check. Nvidia and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to stop overclock CPU and GPU settings. So sometimes overclocking makes the CPU or GPU unstable, so you are suggested to check if there is any overclocking of CPU or GPU in the background. This will help you to fix the issue. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. Now click on in-game and here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If this is enabled, you can disable it. Once you disable this, launch the game and then check. For GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and here switch off in-game overlay options as shown in the image over here. If for Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab and here switch off enable in game overlay options as shown in the picture, and after that try to launch the game and check. Next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that I have already given this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser or even you can search for Visual C++ files in Google. So after the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once the link is downloaded, you have to open it. Now you will get repair or install option. Click on repair and wait for some time. After you get setup successful message, close this and then restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, log into the game and then check whether you can play the game or not. If not, next method is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option and it will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and after that try to launch the game and then check if it's working. If not, next is to change virtual memory settings. So for that, go to the Windows search for view advanced system settings. Now click on settings, click on advanced, click on change. Here you have to select the drive where your game has been installed. After that, select custom size. In the initial size you have to type 12288 and in the maximum size you have to type 24576. Now click on set and then click on OK. Finally launch the game and then check if the game is opening now. If not, next is to disable antivirus program or firewall. So if you are having an antivirus program, then it can interrupt in your gameplay. So what you need to do is go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on virus and threat protection, go below, click on manage settings and after that here you have to turn off real-time protection. Now after doing this, go to the Windows search again, search for Windows Defender Firewall. Now here click on turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off and select turn off Windows Defender Firewall in both private and public network settings. After that click on OK and then launch the game and check if this helps to fix the problem. But later on again come back and don't forget to select turn on Windows Defender Firewall in both private and public network settings. Next method is to install DirectX. So for that I have already provided this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. Site opens. Here you have to click on the download option and this will download DirectX on your system. After downloading it, install it. Once you install DirectX, now try to launch the game and check. If not, next is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, click on add a desktop app. After that, go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding it, click on the arrow icon and under GPU preference you have to select high performance. After selecting high performance, now launch the game and then check whether the game is opening or not. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall WWE 2K26 game. For that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall. Finally click on uninstall option. This will completely remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch Steam and again reinstall WWE 2K26 game and finally click on the play button to check if the game is opening now or not.